Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing great and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, hi, I'm Lisa Sharma. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell to get notifications whenever I come up with new videos. So as you can see it from the title itself, it will be a dainty jewelry haul. I love dainty jewelries and I love the fact that they goes with almost everything you wear. So I ordered few of them from Urbanic. Urbanic is a very nice shopping app for clothes, jewelry, etc. So I really wanted to try the jewelries because they are so cheap. Like it starts from rupees 90 or 85 rupees. So without any further ado, let us start the video. So first of all, let us start with the neck pieces. So the first one is this triple layered chain. The price of this chain is rupees 190. So there was some offer going on for which I got it at rupees 161. The quality of this product seems really good. I received it in this type of packaging. It's a plastic packaging. So inside it there was this chain along with some tags. These type of chains tends to get tangled very easily. So इसको ठीक करने में बहुत time लगता है. So be careful while you're storing this type of chains particularly. So the first layer is this one, which contains a half moon type of a pendant with small glittery beads, and the second layer is of a single star which also contains some small glittery beads, and the third layer is of this one, which consists of a number of stars, small stars. It's really pretty, guys. So let us move to the second product, which is this two-layered chain. This is my most favorite purchase among all these. The price of this product is also rupees 190 and I got it for rupees 161 due to some offer. So this is two layered and this two can be separated and you can wear it separately. So the material of this product is really good and it doesn't at all seems like a cheap quality product. So this type of jewelry really looks good with white shirt and also turtleneck tops. First layer is this one. The design is like a janjeer kind of thing, if I make sense. And the second layer is this one. It has a very pretty heart shape pendant over here. This is so pretty and it's not that large, it's quite small, so it looks really elegant. So the third product is this chain with a half moon. Let me tell you, the chain here is a little bit thinner compared to the rest of the chains here. So it's not of a bad quality at all. So here is this half moon pendant. It is so cute. The price of this necklace was rupees 90 or 99, somewhere around that. The prices will be mentioned on the screen, so you can check that out, and also the links of all the products will be provided in my description box, so do not forget to check that out. Let us move to the next product, which is this neck piece. It's a very delicate one. So this particular product was a little bit tough to handle for me. So here is this condition going on. There is a small heart which is hollow and there is one solid heart. So I think this heart completes this one. So I think this is the theme behind making this pendant. Tell me if I'm wrong. So I really like this one. This is so simple and this will go with almost everything. So the price of this one was rupees 99 and I got it at rupees 95 or 96, something like that. This is all about this chain. Now let's move on to the next neck piece, which is this. This is a very beautiful one. I love it so much, and it writes baby girl out here. This is so pretty, and there are some small glittery bits going on around. This also doesn't feel like a cheap product at all. I think the price of this one was also rupees 190, and I got it for rupees 161. I'm just wondering, this would go so well with a black turtleneck top. Now let us move to the last neck piece which I have with me, and which is also a big disappointment for me. So here is the chain. Now my question is, how should I wear this? It has no hook, you guys. It has no hook. I don't know how will I wear this. I don't know if I'll be able to return it or not, because it was mentioned in the picture that it is not returnable. So I think I will have to fix a hook here first, and I will have to wear it. The price of this chain was rupees 89 or 90, something around that. So it has this is a single piece. It has small stars all around. It is actually a really beautiful neck piece. Only disappointment was that it had no hook. It's a fixed one, so I'm figuring out how should I wear this. Like, it doesn't even passes my head. So yeah. Now let us move on to earrings. So there is not so much that I have ordered from the earring section. It's only few of them. So the first one is this one. This is a multicolored earring. This is so beautiful, you guys. I thought that कि ये crystal का बना होगा, लेकिन नहीं. ये कुछ ऐसा पेपर फोम नहीं होता. इट इज़ मेड ऑफ दैट टाइप ऑफ मटेरियल. और ये जो इसका जो ये स्टड है वो निकला हुआ आया था. मैंने फिर इसको हॉट ग्लू गन से इसको चिपकाया, फिर जाके ये ऐसा दिख रहा है. The price of this earring is rupees 190. So if I have to talk about the quality, it's not that great like the way I was expecting it to be, but yeah, like I am happy for the price I have paid. Maybe I should have got a little bit more of a good quality product, but yeah, I am fine with that. Let's move on to the next earrings, which is this very beautiful heart-shaped earrings. This is my most favorite of all the earrings I have with me right now. This is a very heavy earring. The price of this is also rupees 190, and the quality which I have got for this price, I am really happy for that, because ये चीप क्वालिटी का बिल्कुल भी नहीं लग रहा है. दिस इज़ सो नाइस एंड हैवी. जो इसका जो कलर है वो रोज़ गोल्ड में है, नॉट टोटली गोल्ड, विच इज़ द थिंग आई एम लविंग द मोस्ट अबाउट दिस इयरिंग. एंड yeah guys, this is a very pretty one. I suggested you must go for this one at least when you are shopping jewelry from Urbanic. This is a really pretty one. Now let us move on to the most disappointing part of today's video. I ordered 2 more earrings from Urbanic, and I was not at all expecting such type of product from Urbanic especially. So I ordered this earring. I thought the product would be a little bit bigger and it would be sturdy, but this is such a cheap quality product, let me tell you. The price of this product is rupees 99, which is almost 100, and in 100 rupees we get such good earrings, and I and I'm regretting like anything to spend 100 rupees on this type of product. आप इसको अच्छी हालत में देख रहे हो, लेकिन ये जब मुझे रिसीव हुआ था तो मेरा दिमाग ख़राब हो गया था कि ये क्या आया है। आपको फ़ोटो मैं यहाँ चिपका दूँगी, आप देख पाओगे कि वो ये मुझे इनिशियली कैसे मिला था। सो मैंने इसको थोड़ा बीट कर करके इसे सर्कल बनाया है, इसको लाइक बहुत मेहनत की है मैंने इसको सर्कल बनाने में, और आई एम नॉट रियली हैप्पी अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट। शायद ये थोड़ा अच्छा दिखता अगर ये थोड़ा बड़ा होता, बट या इट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़ नाउ। सो now let's move on to the last product of today's video, which is the biggest disappointment, is this stud earrings which I ordered. So I thought that I would receive 2 of them for both of my ears, but I have only received one single piece of this. Like seriously, like please comment down below if someone have experience with this product. Like, am I supposed to get only one of them, or should I have got 2 for both of my ears? Like, I feel this is illogical. I have spent rupees 100 on this one as well, but I have only got one single piece. I am really not happy with this one. So yeah guys, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you all have enjoyed watching the video. So thank you for watching and bye bye.